Prize with a total average time of 11 minutes and 6, riding during cycle, ZMR Apparel, Sayote Boys, Mount Descent, MDT, rider number 190, forgive me if I can't pronounce your name correctly, Vrens Carantes. Tama ba? Vrens Carantes. Rider number 190, you receive a cash prize, a trophy, and a medal.
Yes, picture tayo, picture.
Once again on February 16, our leg 2 for our Mondraker Gravity Enduro to be held at La Union Aqua 10. Ay, yung wire, katapakan.
Ano?